Good evening, dear student. Today I am going to show you the main property of particles of matter. Particles of matter, whether they are solid, whether they are liquid or gas, they can move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So there are two terms, one is diffusion, one is osmosis. Diffusion, which occur in solid, liquid and gas. Today I am going to show you the gaseous diffusion. You can see some fragrance is coming out from this lantern, जो यहाँ पर ऊपर से गर्म हो रहा है और इससे fragrance पूरे कमरे में फैल रही है. That is called as diffusion. Second one, you can see there is an अगरबत्ती incense stick. उसकी जो fragrance है वो भी पूरे रूम में फैल रही है because of diffusion. And third one is room freshener. अगर हम इसको भी spread करें तो ये भी पूरे रूम में फैल जाएगा. तो this is because of diffusion.